Hey guys, this is James. I am here testing out the Insta360 Air. I got this product a couple of years ago actually, and it was sitting at the bottom of my camera case. I was thinking, why is it sitting at the bottom of my camera case? This thing is pretty cool. One of the things I always have trouble with is photos of cruise ship cabins. So, instead of a wide-angle lens, how about a 360 lens? So make sure you guys check this out by rotating. We are on the Norwegian Joy in Vancouver, Canada. And we're going to be on a press tour sailing to San Pedro, which is outside of Los Angeles, California, in a little bit. This ship launched in, I think, 2015 or 2016 in Asia. Sailed in China for a while, and now it is here. They've completely redone everything. They've taken out rooms, added new features, and we're super excited. So I'm going to be adding a bunch more 360 camera shots from different parts of the ship. But I wanted to test it out here in my stateroom, so make sure you spin around. This is the Concierge Penthouse, which is a class just below Haven, but it's above the normal balcony. And it's a nice stateroom, got a nice tub, larger bathroom. As a bigger guy, that's really important for me, because one thing that really is terrible about some of the newer cruise ships, the bathrooms are tiny. It's a challenge even for normal people. So I think it's worth spending extra money to get a little bit bigger bathroom. But that's up to you guys. Make sure to check out ncl.com for all the latest pricing and news and other things coming up. And have a great day.